Delay to everyone. Welcome back learning basic reading Tibetan language. Today we are going to learn kinds of eatables. Sa rungwe rik. Sa ra shabju runga rung wa agyu yi we. Sa rungwe. Ragigu rik kasa rik. Rik. Sa rungwe rik. Sa rungwa is irreable. Since this is the connecting particle, it's off. So only this one. So it's connected with this noun, so it become a part of sarungwe, so it's connected right here. So haqi is kind of off. Okay, let's learn. Shanaro shok kasa shok cha nya kigu ni na nin ga shabju ngu nga ngung ka laka lak ningung kalak tau ganaro gonga gong tarda tanaro to agui de laka laka lak gongde kalak baka bak ladimbo lepa lep bak lep Mara mar mar Payeta chashabju chura chura Sagadangana rongo nga gonga Garata tanga tang Tsala tsal tang tsal Tsa wasur tsa Paida charding boche ma kara che ma kara ragadangaya dangya ta shabjutu ka tuk kya tuk shokcha ningung kala gongde kala baglep mar chura gonga tangtsal tsa chema kara kyatuk shokcha breakfast ningung kala lunch gongde kalak dinner baglep bread mar butter chura cheese gonga egg tangtsal salad tsa salt chema kara sugar kyatuk noodle Au Bharatasa de Au Bharatasa de Garata Tanaro to Garata Tanaro to Shagiwu shipa ship to ship Nasa ne A shanaro shoma shom ashom Sha manaru moka mok manaru moka mok Sha momok Sha marimu meta me manaru moka mok manaru moka mok Shame mok mok Paida cha sha cha sha nya sha nyasha. Paka pak sha, paksha. Galata langa lang sha, langsha. De, do, doship. Ne, ashum, shamomo, shame momo. Chasha, nyasha, paksha, langsha. De, rice. Do, wheat. Doship, flour. Ne, barley. Ashum, corn. Shamomo, dumpling. Shame momo, dumpling, no meat. So, dumpling with meat is called shamomo. Dumpling, I mean, is it literally referring shame momo is veggie momo. So it's here is shame mean is without meat. It's the veggie momo. So whenever you go to the restaurant, if you want to eat meat momo, meat with the dumpling, you have to say shamomo. If you don't want to eat meat, just veggie, and you have to say shame momo. Okay. Chasha, chicken. Nyasha, fish. Paksha, pork. Langsha, beef. Shokcha, Nyingung kalak. Gungdre kalak. Baglep, mar. Chura, Gonga, Tangtsal, Tsa, Chema Kara, Kyatuk, De, Do, Doship, Ne, Ashum, Shamomo, Shame Momo, Chasha, Nyasha, Paksha, Langsha. Okay, you can see a link below this video. Click on the link and download PDF file. Enjoy learning basic reading Tibetan language. Chema Jalyong. See you later. Bye for now.